you. Welcome to Martello.
This is the conference room where all the meetings at Martello are held.
This is the first aid room where all the injuries get treated.
This is our Martello Hall,
where many things happen,
including lunch. This is the kitchen where all the food is prepared.
Hi, we're their dinner ladies.
They haven't poisoned us yet.
Welcome to our playground where many fun activities take place. This is our trim trail. It's super fun.
Here are Year 5 doing gymnastics. They're taught by Miss Williams. This is the conference room. Martello is an all-inclusive school, so for children with special needs, they have a special group where they come to work together. Today, they're doing a drop test. They have to build 20 bricks. They have to put 20 bricks together and drop it from a certain height, and it has to stay together. At Martello, we feel we should include everybody. That is why we have this lift, so people with disabilities can go from floor to floor with ease.
This is Year R, and they're currently doing their own learning. It's so amazing in here.
So this is Year 1, which is the second youngest class in the school.
Split diagram off in a minute.
This is Year 2, where I usually help out at lunch. So what are you guys doing today?
We are writing sentences with words inside.
This is Year 3, where it's the beginning of Key Stage 2. This is Year 4, and in art they are weaving. This is Year 5.
Now to gymnastics, they will be competing.
And do what you need to do.
Welcome to Year 6. This is our classroom.
We are taught by Miss Sheriffs and our teaching assistant, Mrs. Sun. Currently, we are doing computing.
We are practicing our math with times tables rock stars.
This is the library.
Goodbye! And thanks for watching.